Okay, so in this video we're going to show you how to make a zip file from within Windows. Zip files are typically used to either compress large files to make them smaller, or sometimes are used to take a bunch of files and stick them all inside of one file, make it easier for emailing. So it's pretty simple to do in Windows. The older version of Windows you didn't have this built-in functionality. You had to use a third-party program such as WinZip or PKZip, but newer versions such as Windows 7 and Vista, XP, that kind of thing have this functionality built in. So the way to do it is you find the files you want to add to your zip file. So in this case we're going to add these auto show pictures. We're going to add the first 20. Let's say we want to email them. So highlight them, click on the first one, hold down shift, click on the last one, and then just right click anywhere. And let's say you had a WinZip type program, you could pick add to zip file, and you have other options for different types of zip files, setting your compression type, if you want to encrypt the file or add a password, that kind of thing. But the built-in Windows functionality doesn't go that far. It's pretty basic. So basically once you highlight them, just right click anywhere and pick send to compressed zip folder. Now you'll notice it took the name of the file that I right clicked on, which just happened to be auto show 7. So, and it also leaves it highlighted, so in that case you could rename it to whatever you want. So let's call it zipped pics. And so I'll show you that again. So 1 through 20, and let's say I right clicked on auto show 9 and picked send to compressed folder. See, it would name it that file by default. So we're going to get rid of this one. We don't want it. And so now you'll notice we have the zipped pics folder. If we open that up, you'll see that we have the 1 through 20 pictures in there, just like we added. And now we can go ahead and check and see if we got any space savings by zipping them up. So we'll highlight them all, right click anywhere, go to properties, and we have 4.32 megabytes compared to the properties of the zip file itself, 4.28. So basically we didn't really get much file space saving at all. So pictures usually don't compress that much at all, so you'll probably just use zipping pictures for doing things like emailing a bunch of them into one file. Other types of files will compress 50, 75%, so it all depends on the file type. So now once you have your zip file ready, and you can see that all the pictures are in there, all you have to do is attach this one file to the email and send it off, and you'll send all 20 in one. And that's about it. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.